Hello, in this video I want to show you how to turn on or off your Urbanista Stockholm Plus Earbuds. So to do this, we'll need to take the two of the earbuds. You can see them that they're connected right here and they are turned on. So to power them off, we'll need to hold the one of them on the logo. So hold it for 10 seconds till the indicator flashes 3 times. And now the device should be disconnected and turned off. To power them back on, again hold one of the buttons for 3 seconds. It flashes 3 times and they should power on. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.